Premium Japanese barbecue restaurant in Makati that offers unlimited steak course, yakiniku meat, and Japanese food buffet. Lahat to for 2,499. Here's your sign to treat yourself this weekend. Shaburi and Kintan Buffet sa Top of the Globe, Glorieta, Makati. Pagpasok ko, napaka-premium ng ambience. This restaurant pala brings together Shaburi and Kintan, bali two Japanese resto that serve shabu-shabu and yakiniku respectively. We availed yung only steak course sa Kintan. At ang masasabi ko, heaven to for meat lovers. Tingnan nyo, ang daming iba't ibang klase ng Japanese steak. May karubi, porterhouse, T-bone, strip loin, himafuri, at prime rib. Iba talaga kapag Japanese steak, ano? High level ang marbling, kaya premium talaga. Syempre, the best part of yakiniku is yung grilling. We cook the meat just the way we like it. For steaks, pinaka-nasarapan ako sa prime rib, tsaka itong shimafuri. Pareha silang malambot. Distinct yung lasa nila with strong beefy taste. Tender yung meat at ang bango. Sa yakiniku meat naman, marami kaming naging choices. At only din yan kasama na sa binayaran namin. Yung Japanese food buffet, na-enjoy ko rin ng sobra. They have a wide selection from salad, chicken teriyaki, curry from Coco Ichibanya, only coffee from UCC, iced coffee, cakes, at itong gyudon na pinakamasarap na gyudon sa buong universe. Grabe to, ang sarap talaga. Premium food, classy environment, at good value for money. Kintan is really a top tier Japanese restaurant. Yun lang, uwi na.